Hey guys, welcome back to FB4 tutorials. So in this video we are going to check out a trending reels editing tutorial using an app called IVY. So first let's check out the preview video.
Ashley! Look at...
So now let's see how to do this transition on IVY. To begin with, open the app and click the plus button and select the ratio you want, and then add the clips of your choice. Select the audio you want to apply and select all other clips you want to add. Now select the first clip and then select effect and add effect. So here I'm choosing an effect called twitch. You can see that in the shake, and I'm adding 2 keyframes and add it on the end and start of the clip, and then adjust the amount and add a graph. Now again select add effect and select the effect called whites and blacks. You can find it on the light and color option, and then add a keyframe on the end and start. Now increase the amount of whites. Now you need to add the effect called swing and adjust the frequency to 4 or 3 as you need. Click on the 3 dots and select copy effects, and then select the next clip and 3 dots and paste effects. Now the effects of the first clip is copied to the second one. Like this way you can add the effects to all the clips you need, and it's so simple to do. You don't need to do it again and again. You can just do it by one click, and that's it. Your video is almost done. Now you just need to export it with the resolution and frame rate you need. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.